A few notes on product removal. Backfilling is best. Constant removal usually leads to damage. Just like touching up hair color, we can apply product to the regrowth without removing the original product. This helps to keep your nails protected and healthy. Nails don't breathe or need breaks. Your nails are made up of hardened keratin protein. They don't have lungs or a blood supply. When using a properly formulated and high-quality product like Attain, the product does not have to be constantly removed, and the nail will not change even under long-term product wear. Gel does not ruin nails. People do. The only way to make your nails thinner and weaker is to overdo it through aggressive filing, peeling, removal, and reapplication. Wearing Attain product without complete removal will actually protect your natural nail and add thickness and strength. Complete removal considerations. We recommend to only remove Attain when you won't be reapplying. Keep in mind that your nails may feel naked because you don't have Attain strength on top. Temperature sensitivity to hot or cold is normal, especially after long-term wear, as your nerve endings will be able to feel more through your natural nail plate than with an Attain strength overlay. The nails may also feel bendy for about 24 to 48 hours post-removal due to natural moisture. They will become rigid as the moisture evaporates. To remove Attain strength, use the rougher side of the Attain metal nail file to etch the product. Be careful to file only on the product and not on your natural nail. Using an Attain removal nail wrap, wet the pad with pure acetone. It should be well saturated without dripping. Create a slight fold in the larger side of the foil. Place the finger on the foil with the free edge of the natural nail touching the pad. Lower the upper flap of foil and pad to cover the top of your nail plate. The larger side of the foil should be under your finger with the folded edge and pad on top. Fold the left side of the foil under your finger. Next, fold the right side of the foil under your finger. Give the foil a slight squeeze to create a secure and airtight seal. This will help prevent evaporation. The acetone will break down the product and allow for complete removal. After about 10 minutes, gently remove the wrap to check the product. The product should come off the nail with just gentle pushing or scraping. If the product does not come off easily, file more with the Attain metal nail file, remoisten the pad, and reapply the wrap for another 5 to 10 minutes. Length of wear, cold hands, and thickness of the product can make removal take a little longer. Removal should never involve any peeling, prying, or force. The nail should look healthy as it did before application without any visible damage. If you wish, you can lightly buff the nail to smooth and refine the nail surface. When you're done, wash your hands with soap and water and apply a moisturizer or cuticle oil. Remember, product doesn't damage your nails, but aggressive application and removal does.